So I'm on my way to San Francisco and we have about 3 hours and 50 minutes left. So I thought I'd take a quick opportunity to go ahead and do today's video about a conversation my wife was having. She's actually my cameraman or camera woman right now doing this and kind of laughing at how picky I am about stuff. But I want to talk about the 100-day challenge that I'm giving myself. This is a straightaway. I don't have to worry about really much except staying straight. So this is a good opportunity for me to talk about how difficult it has been just to do the first 11 days of daily videos and making the content, putting it up. And as easy as it seems that I'm doing, standing in front of my desk, doing what I'm doing, the hours that it still takes to make a 10 or 15 minute video to do at least a semi-good production that's worthwhile of putting up probably takes about 90 minutes to 2-3 hours per video, especially because I like to add in those little slides that go in after. Like the spacing that's the way it is here, this open space that's here, I probably can put something in. So I like to be a little off frame, and that's one of the ways we're working on doing these videos. And this process in itself has been really, really hard. I thought it'd be so easy to kick out these videos so quickly because I've been making YouTube videos for my e-bike channel for 3 years now. And those videos take about 30-40 hours each. You know, I have to unbox the bike, put it all together, get the videos, get my friends together, ride, come home, clean up is half the battle. Then editing takes another week. It's around every day, about 4 or 5 hours a day after work. So it's a long process to make one of those videos. So this one, I thought, well, it'll be so easy. I just put up a camera, shoot. But there's still a lot of thought process that has to go through because I don't want these videos to be absolutely boring. And I hope they're not coming across that way, but I do know the first 11 videos I put up, I'm not really happy with it on the way that they're made because of the process that it's been taking to get them done. But I do need to say, I have learned so much. It has been so worth it all the way through that I would not tell anybody to hold themselves back from doing a challenge like that. Now, I had a commenter comment about potentially wanting to do a 100-day challenge after I mentioned that. And I've done 30-day blog challenges with my meetup groups in the past when I was doing internet marketing, and everybody had to do one blog every day for 30 days. And even that was a kind of a difficult challenge, but we gave away iPad minis for those who completed the challenge. And then they were entered in a drawing for like 1 or 2 iPads. And it was a really fun, but it also got you into a habit of doing a procedure or routine, but it also taught you how to get things done more efficiently. And that's one thing that this process has been really beneficial. If you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, you definitely want to do this. By far, I have learned so much, even though I was doing so much with the other channel for so long. This one has been so educational that I'm actually learning stuff to refine the process in my e-bike channel so that even if I don't, what I would call succeed as making this a viral channel, which I do think it will become one. I mean, I'm going to be adjusting and figuring out things along the way. But if it doesn't happen, what I've learned from this even first 11 days, like you're not going to see this till after the 14th day or something because we don't want to film while we're not home so everybody knows we're not home. I'm going to be posting this after. I batch recorded some of the stuff, which was another really good lesson for me along the way. But I want to kind of reiterate the procedure or the process that I'm going through of doing one a day has been so beneficial that I do recommend people do it. Maybe give yourself a 14-day challenge and see how hard that is, or do a 30-day challenge, or I would say a 90 to 100-day challenge is a really, really good goal. And one of the main reasons being is that with that many videos, you'll start to actually be able to analyze the data to know what has been very beneficial for your audience and what they're resonating with most. Already with the first 11 videos I put up, I can already start to see where I should start heading into. And that already has been huge. Now, I did do a lot of study before the first video went up. At the time of this recording, I believe after 11 days of starting this, I already have 71 subscribers, which, by the way, thank you guys so much for subscribing. I cannot even thank you enough for how amazing that has been as a encouragement and reinforcement of continuing to try this. And the other thing is that I hit over 1,100 views for the channel. That's over 100 views per video average. A lot of them came off the first one though, which taught me a lot about that first video because I did a lot of SEO keyword researching along the way and will continue to do that as I move forward with other videos. But in this one, I'm just kind of want to do a kind of impromptu I did think this through while I was driving, what I'd be saying based on this morning's comment and a conversation I had with my wife. There's another video I want to do before the end of this trip on the way out, and then probably do 2 on the way home as well. But this is part of the process. Having an idea, I don't have a place to write it down and put everything down and see if I can get a decent message out impromptu. And hopefully this is one of those. Take advantage of an opportunity to challenge yourself, because this has been seriously the hardest thing I think I've done in a long, long time. It has put my stress level exceptionally high, which is kind of fine with me doing it right now. And I even mentioned to my wife this morning, if I die doing this, at least I can tell myself I put everything I got into it, and no ifs, ands, or buts. I challenge myself to the extreme. And that's kind of what I wanted to do, to see what comes out of it. And one of it is I'm learning so much. It's such a great process. So anyway, that's going to be today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If this has been helpful, I would appreciate a subscribe so that I know that I have earned a subscription with the process that's going through, that you've learned something. And or just, even a simple like is also very encouraging. But more than anything else, your guys' comments. If you comment below, tell me what you think. Do you think you can do a challenge? What are the things that are holding you back from jumping into starting one? And if it's just fear, doing a challenge like this gets you past the fear, because you just know you got to get it done. There's another video I want to do about how you just mark off every day you do something, and you don't want to break that mark off chain, and that's super beneficial as well. I'll do that in another video, but for now, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.